Creating a vault in Revolut is a straightforward process that allows you to set aside funds for specific savings goals. To get started, open the Revolut app and log into your account. First, navigate to the dashboard and click on the Vaults tab. If you do not see the Vaults tab, you may need to click on the More option to find it. Once you are in the Vaults section, click on the Create a Vault button. Next, you will be prompted to choose the type of vault you want to create. You can choose from a range of options, including a general savings vault or a vault for a specific goal, such as a holiday or a new car. After selecting the type of vault, you will need to give your vault a name and set a target amount. This will help you to stay focused on your savings goal. You can also choose to set up a recurring transfer from your main account to your vault. Now, you will need to decide how you want to fund your vault. You can choose to transfer money from your main account, or you can set up a direct debit from your salary. You can also invite friends to contribute to your vault, making it a great option for group savings goals. Once you have set up your vault, you can track your progress and see how close you are to reaching your target. You can also edit your vault settings at any time, including changing the target amount or the frequency of transfers. Creating a vault in Revolut is a great way to take control of your savings and work towards your financial goals. By following these steps, you can create a vault that works for you and helps you to achieve your objectives. Remember to review and adjust your vault settings regularly to ensure you are on track to meet your savings goals.